Okay, good. Cool. Still a little skinny, but they should work. Replacement 8-track pressure pads for my 8-track tape collection. Please don't step to the... Alright. Yeah, okay. There it is. Ellington 65 EP, mini EP. Looking for this time, I ran into both, so I got both of them. Gave me a copy of the picture of it. Cool. Yep. Oh, cool. I actually got the 12-inch and the 7-inch from 2 different sellers at the same time. See odds of that happening. Here's the full 12-inch version. Oh, I took very nice care of it. Mr. Smith did. Wow, it's like brand new. They're very careful with it. Well, I'm surprised not a single spindle mark. Deep scratch on side B though, but it was only like literally like a few bucks. Yeah. There's the 12-inch version.